In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a journal entry in your Concordia course using Blackboard. Journal entries are usually shorter writing assignments just shared with your instructor. The other students in the class can't see them. The longer writing assignments will usually be uploaded as a document. Journals are usually a little bit shorter way to just post a couple paragraphs or thoughts that are viewed by your instructor. First thing I'll do is I'll show you how to access your journals in your course. So one way to do it is in the left-hand menu pane. There'll be a journal entry there. You can just click on that name for journals. It'll show you all the journals in your course. It's sometimes difficult to figure out which one you're supposed to be replying to, but if you know that, you're in week 1, you could do 1.2 journal, you would just click on that journal entry to access it. A better way, and probably a little less prone to mistakes way to do it, is to access it through your content section. As you're scrolling through your week, you'll see the icon when it's the spiral notebook with a J on it. That means that this title is a link to the specific journal that you're supposed to post for this topic. So you could click on that title to post. You then see a button here for Create Journal Entry. That gives you the text entry option, and you can put your subject and your message in here either by typing directly into it. You can format it using these tools at the top. If you don't see all the tools, you might have to click that chevron button to expand to see all of the tools. And then you would, in the lower right-hand corner, click Post Entry to make that post. So then you can then see your preview of your little message there. If you say, oh, I clicked that too soon, I wasn't ready to do it, and you want to edit it, this little circle with the down arrow on it is important. You would click on that, and you can say edit. That takes you back to the edit portion of it, or you could have deleted that one and just submitted a new one. So that down arrow chevron is important to note. Another good idea to use for journals is to just do your writing in a word processor. In this case, this is Google Docs. So I could do my writing in there. I get spell check, I get grammar check, I get all the formatting tools that you may be more familiar with, how to do bulleted lists. I could then select all and could then copy. And then if I paste that into my journal box, you see how the formatting stays for all of that? So that might even be a better way to do it. Again, you're having the word processor help you with spell and grammar check before you paste it into the journal. You could then say, let's post that entry. It gives you a preview of it. Again, if you see that some spacing or some things are off there next to the title, click the down arrow, and then you can either edit it or delete it to get your journal looking exactly the way you want.